I don't know. It's on now.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
Here.
Do something.
What?
Make a face or something.
Okay, this is the face that Brianna thinks is really funny, but I don't think it's really funny. You'll probably think it's weird. It goes, and this other one, it's really not cute.
Do it.
It's really not
Make
cute.
Megan's face.
It's like, actually, when you do it, oh god. And plus, I look ugly in the mirror.
Yeah, go for it. Hot mess.
It's really cute. This is why I don't have a boyfriend.
Nobody likes you. I'm just kidding. I love you.
Yeah.
There's your Would he? Would he? Huh? Okay, now say bye.